Hello, good morning, good afternoon, good evening, wherever you are. Friends, partners, proteges, and viewers from across the world, welcome to this wonderful and amazing video. I'm very positive that it's going to be a blessing to you. Alright, my name is Adebaya Desa. I'm a business coach and at the same time, I'm a crypto investor. I believe so much um, in the cryptos, and I'm following ads and I'm following suit, in the space. And this is why I'm coming online to let you know and understand what the space is all about. And trust me, this video will worth your time. All right, cryptocurrencies. I'm sure you're going to be very familiar with the Bitcoin. All right, the Bitcoin is not only the cryptocurrency. Cryptocurrency is just a digital money, digital, cash, or let's say digital currency. All right, and just like you have your forex, forex is like a physical, physical currencies. People trade forex as well. So crypto is like a digital asset that people also trade in. All right, far back 2020, 2008, 2009, 2010, there came a very amazing invention, and this invention is called the Bitcoin. A particular guy believed that there will be a time whereby people will have to spend their own money at their own time, the way they want to spend it, and of course, being their own banks, at a time that they will not have to trust on the traditional banking system, and they can do things on their own, within their own bank, in their own space, and within their own time frame. And you send money just from your phone, and it gets to any part of the world within a twinkle, of an eye. This is what cryptocurrencies is all about. So these currencies are actually, let me just say, they're like the stocks. They're like the stock exchange, like the bonds that maybe let me just say our parents they bought in those days. They actually do appreciate. They appreciate based on involvement of people, based on involvement of the government. They actually increase also based on what are the news or what are the profile that surrounds a particular company. Of course, if you want to buy stocks, those days you prefer to choose the better companies. Companies like Apple, companies like Coca-Cola. That's the Coca-Cola generally, and Pfizer, and what have you. So this is just a version that is online, a version that is controlled by the people, by the demands and supplies of the people. By the way, Bitcoin, for example, has all that is in how do you call it now? All that is in existence of a Bitcoin, there cannot be more of it. All that has been created into existence about just 21 million Bitcoin. You will get that 21 million Bitcoin. That means if 21 million units are already bought into, there is no way for you to, there's no way for increase, of the particular unit. So the more the units keeps reducing, the more the value Bitcoin gets. And so as for other of the other coins, like you can see on my screen here, I have here Ethereum. Ethereum around last year, if I'm not mistaken, around March last year was $600, and now it's around $3,500. And do you know what? The all-time high of this Ethereum is even around $4,000. Yeah, I think it got to 4,000 around March, around April. I can't really figure the date now immediately. The essence of this video is just to let you know, understand what cryptocurrencies are all about. So cryptocurrencies is the future of money. Either you like it or not, either the government likes it or not, this is the future of money. And how do you buy the stocks? How do you sell them? There are places we call exchange. There are places we call exchange. And exchange, of course, are like the bank, like the People's Bank. Like the number one of the exchange across the world is called Binance. Maybe some other class, some other lessons I'm going to be teaching you how to use the Binance. Binance is the number one, is the best exchange in the whole world. And from this review, it is being followed by Obi Global, and the other one is Coinbase Exchange. Coinbase, is based on the US, and it's also a very fantastic, exchange whereby big guys, big companies, big multinationals buy their cryptocurrencies in the US. Binance is worldwide. Is worldwide. Talk of any country, on the face of the earth. Binance is well accepted, and a lot of people are using Binance, and that makes Binance well and very secure. Of course, at a particular time, Binance Exchange was hacked, and due to this hack, Binance Exchange as a company paid back, the total funds, the total amount of money, that have been accrued in their exchange, paid it back completely to the people. I think over $40 million they had to pay. Of course, I guess they are insured. Now, why do you need to, know about Binance, know about cryptocurrencies? This is the future of money. This is your own bank. This is where you spend your own money, save your own money, and spend your own money. And you know what? The money here grow over time. The money here grow over time. Like this coin gecko I'm clicking on now, you can also click it on your own phone, on your own laptop, and let it be like a guide for you to see, a track or a tracking of all the cryptocurrencies that you will find there. You can actually read about them, see their graphs, see their movement, see how much is involved in them, and all of that. So now I want to tell you more about these currencies. These currencies can be bought and they can be sold. You buy them less, you sell them high. Now, some people hold them in their hand and some people trade them. Alright, but trading of these currencies, you must be sound before you can, try to take or attempt to trade cryptocurrencies. You must understand the risk therein. Like for example, you might buy a coin today for $1 and the coin tomorrow is at 70 cents. Have you lost your money? No, you have not lost your money. The coin is only probably in a correction stage. Whatever goes down must surely go up. Whatever goes up has the tendency of coming down. This is just a law in the exchange market. This is just a law. It is just basic. That's the way it is. Even for gold, it's the same thing. So they go down and come up. So you have to understand your own entry point. What's your entry point? What is the news around that coin? What is the news around that token? What's your entry point? Is your entry point, is it good? Is it good enough? And you buy into it and you wait for your own time. There's an entry point, there's an exit point. That is if you want to, cash out on your money. So you have to understand this basics, and these things can be studied, of course, using this graph, and you can also watch videos on YouTube for that. Okay, but for the sake of this class, I want to teach people around the world. I want to teach all my pro-teachers, I want to teach all my followers how to trade cryptocurrencies without losing your money. Now, the only issue, or the major issue in trading cryptocurrencies is that when do I buy and when do I sell? So we have got an amazing app that will tell you, that will teach you when to buy and when to sell. Now, let me just do a quick review of what RoyalQ is all about. This is the website, as you can see on my screen. This is the website right here. This is RoyalQ. This is the home page. This is the interface, and it is showing you here advantages of the RoyalQ system. This system, it's a trading app, and we can also call it a robot because it is an artificial intelligence app. Okay, 247, it's on the work. 247, it's on the use. Now, this is a company that designed a particular app for people to be able to trade. And why do you need them for your trading? Just for you to understand when to buy, when to sell, and how to manage your losses. Alright, in crypto, you might have losses if you are not patient. Patience is a key. Patience is a key in the crypto space. So you're going to learn how to trade easily without having losses using this app. And I'm going to show you all about that as I go on. Now, this app actually works in your exchange. I showed you the other exchange. Let me just show you quickly. One exchange is Binance. Binance exchange, Binance.com. You can trade cryptocurrencies on Binance. Alright, that is opening up. This is the interface of Binance. It's an exchange, it's like a bank. Movements, transactions are going up every second right on this website. Alright, so I'll also open another exchange, which is the second one that was seen on that chart, OOB exchange, cryptocurrency exchange company. Alright, so we have Binance here and we have Huobi here. Okay, let me quickly get into Huobi. Alright, I'm just trying to show you those things so you can understand how those things work. So can you see, this is UOB, This is an exchange, international one. You'll be global, and Binance is as well global. You can use them in any part of the world. All right. Now you trade currencies, you buy them and sell them on these exchanges. Now this amazing app works with Huobi and Binance for now, because these are the two exchanges that are actually very recommendable. Let me just use the word, and of course you can rely on them. Whatever you hear on this video is my own opinion, is what I've tried for a few years, and it's not in any way financial advice. Maybe now, okay, you follow this video, you lost your money, blah blah blah. That's not the essence of this video. It's for you to get trained and to learn. Of course, you have my contact and you can talk to me for me to give you more guide in at the end of this video. Of course, whenever you want to contact me, I'm always available. This is not a financial advice. It is just from my own opinion, from my own studies, from my own wealth of experience that I'm sharing with you. So RoyalQ is telling you welcome to the future. This app is a robot, like I told you, and it can help you to trade your cryptocurrencies. Now, in cryptos, in forex, there's what we call loss, and there's what we call the floating loss. Floating loss are unrealized loss. So this is where you need this robot. It helps you to manage your unrealized loss, and you're going to be learning about those in the next video. The basic thing is for you to understand how this exchange actually works. Now I'll show you something in Binance here. Though I'm not logged into my Binance, I'm not logged into my Huobi account, I will have shown you a particular thing that you need to know. Whatever it is, this exchange is secured. For you to connect your robots to either of this exchange, you need something which is called the API binding or API management. Without the API, you cannot be able to link your robot to work for you in this platforms. Your robot is just like a client that you have hired to do one or two services for you, but you are telling the robot, you can do this, you cannot do this. You can trade for me, you can't withdraw my money. So the API binding in Binance is very strong, and that of Huobi, and it doesn't allow the robot to withdraw your money. Now let me tell you about robots. In the past time, we deal with robots and we give them our funds, and the robot pays us back in profit. Most of them were scam and they have gone away. This time around, the game is changing, and RoyalQ is a game changer. RoyalQ is accessible to everyone in the world, and of course, with RoyalQ, you are able to do your own things on your own. Sell and buy orders in your Binance, in your Huobi wallet, and with this buy and sell orders, you get into profit without losing any of your funds. Now in crypto, your funds can go down. All you just need to do is to wait, and the waiting time using this RoyalQ robot is very lesser than the waiting time in your exchange, just because there's a system that that the robot uses, which is called the quantitative system. So there's quantitative is all about mathematics and solutions. So there are simple solutions that help you to make your trades and get out of your trades if you want to, without losing your money. So RoyalQ comes in form of an app. It's user friendly, even newbie friendly. As a newbie, you can start. In fact, I've set up for a lot of people within a day, and they started trading already. In fact, some of my friends and my pro teams, they are doing perfectly well now using this robot. They are trading well now without any errors, any mistakes. So you download it on your phone. It's available on your Google App Store. It's available on your also your iOS, that's your Apple App Store as well. Alright, this is the interface. It looks like this. So you create buy and sell orders right there, and it's very safe. Your funds are secured. Can you see? RoyalQ never stores your funds. Your funds are not stored here. Only your data is stored on this app. Amazing app, powerful app. It reads your wallet, it sees what it wants to do, and it only operates with your USDT. USDT is Theta. That is a stable coin version. That is a stable coin. That is the dollar version of the physical dollar. That's the crypto version of the physical dollar. That is called Theta USDT. Alright, so I'm going to provide you my link. With my link, you just click on the link. It takes you to a place where you're going to register. Register with your email. Your email must be correct and must be active. You put your password 2 times. Your password must have a big letter and a special character and a number. It must be alphanumeric. It must be mixed. So that for you to, in fact, if you don't mind, you can use the same password password in your Binance as the same in your UOB as the same with your robot. By the way, you can bind two accounts to each robot. You can bind your Binance to the robot, and you can also bind your UOB to the robot, and you can trade on them, separately, and you get your profit in your Binance or in your UOB also separately. It is secure. It is secure. All right. You don't have to be afraid. When the market rebounds, you keep making profit with RoyalQ. You just need to, follow suit and learn how you do this. Okay, you can read all this yourself. Because of the time of the video, I would not like to go into much details, but the basic thing is that this app trades for you and makes profits for you. It buys for you low and sells for you high. I have people that get $1 profit daily, some $2, some $5, and I have partners which are big partners that are getting at the moment $200 per day. Did you hear me right? $200 per day, just because they bought into an app. Right here you can see it is selling for $100. That is now a past tense. It now sells for $120. But if you get in now immediately, there's still a promo going on that allows you to still trade for the first few days, with your $20, which is supposed to be the discount earlier. Now it's no longer a discount, it is $120. This is the interface of the app. You can see it's available on App Store and on Google Play. So start with $120, buy your robot, then keep some funds in your Binance as little as $110, or let's say another $120. I have my strategy that I will kick off for you with $120, and trust me, you get into profit even within 1 hour. Within the next 1 hour to the next 2 hours, you're already getting profit. People I set up for, with that amount, gets profit at least $1 to $2 to even $4 on daily basis. Can you imagine? With $120, you can get $4 daily. That is awesome. That's amazing. And of course, I have people that earn over $200, like I told you that. So it depends on your capital. It depends on the entry point. It depends on the settings, which I'm going to be guiding you with. These are things you don't have time to do on the exchange. You don't have time to do them on the exchange, and of course, you don't have time to do them, by yourself. You have to go to work. So you can set up trades here for the next 1 week or 2 weeks or 1 month, and you will do nothing. So now, where to start? You get a code from me. With this code, you click on it, you register properly, and you verify your account, and it brings you to another interface, the website, where you can click on Google Play or App Store, and you can continue. Then the next thing to do is to activate your account with $120 Tron Network on Tron Network. $120 on Tron Network, which is called TLC20. I'm moving fast now for the essence of people watching this video. I would like it to be within 10 minutes or maybe a little bit above 10 minutes. All right. Now, apart from you investing your money in the robots and on your Binance to make daily profit, you can also benefit big time as a member. When you register yourself with $120, you become a V1 member, and V1 member also earns 30% when you register another member. That is, as a V1, you have registered your own account, you register someone else, you'll be paid $30 instantly. So now imagine, how many friends do you have? How many $30 can you make in a day? You can make about $30 times 3 people every day. So that's about $90 or $100. Trust me, I've done this in a week, I've done this in 2 weeks, I've done it in 3 weeks. It has been amazing, it has been awesome. I have earned on a daily basis. And I'm going to share my account in the next videos. I'm going to share the accounts of my partners in the next video. And I would like you to subscribe, to always hit the like button, to always comment when you see my videos, either on Facebook or any social media, even on YouTube. Follow back and like, share, so that you can get more content from me. So, as a V2 member, I will not tell you how to get there. I know that's not the essence of this particular video. You can also earn $40 daily when you register anyone if you cross to the next rank in our company, and it goes vice versa. As you can see here, V3 earns $50 whenever they register anybody. So register 10 people, $500 in that week. V4 $60 in that week. V5 $65, and the big boss, which is a V6. All right, you get $70 whenever anyone registered into this amazing platform. This is just a review I want to give you about RoyalQ. It's a review and an introduction to how RoyalQ works. I have been trading on this platform for the past few weeks and I've earned so much. The details here are just telling you about how to earn more when you become a leader in this amazing platform. Now, RoyalQ is telling you that it's a combination of you and the robots. It becomes a hybrid. With your own hand, with the hand of the robot, you can trade and you can make profit now. Friends are making profit on a daily basis. I want you also to profit. Let me tell you this before I go. The fiat currencies, the local currencies, especially if you're from Africa, the currencies are falling hard. The currencies are falling hard. You can imagine what your naira is at January 2021 and see what your naira is today. Naira is at its all-time low, all-time bad. It's not encouraging. That means the money you saved in your account, in January, the value has just reduced over 30% now. Why the money you saved in your account in January in cryptocurrencies had increased about 300% to 1,000%, and I can really prove that to you if you get back to me in any of my social media handles. I'm going to tell you how to do that. So you profit saving your currency, saving your add-in funds in cryptocurrencies. So RoyalQ trading app will make you that new generation trader. You don't need to be an expert in anything. You don't need to even know the technical analysis. You can trade right as a newbie. You can trade now as, sorry to say, even as an illiterate, you could trade and make money for yourself in RoyalQ. Cryptocurrencies is the future of money, and your money has to be transferred into the future. Otherwise, the money of the past cannot survive you in the future. I will have to go now. I remain the same as Adebayo Adisa. I'm a business coach. I'm a crypto investor. I believe in people, making profit. I believe in people doing well in their financial life. I believe in people doing a new thing to get a new result. So see you guys in the next one. Please subscribe, share this video, contact me in any of my account details or my phone numbers or any of my social media accounts, and let me get you started into this new phase of life, into this future of money. God bless you guys. See you again. Thank you.